Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add indicators on TradingView. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TradingView application or account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next one is how can you create an account on TradingView? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com. And after doing that, that's going to take you right into the official website for TradingView. Now, once you get into the website, the next thing you need to do is to follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, that's going to walk you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on TradingView. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to add indicators on TradingView. Now, for you to add indicators, you have to open up a trading chart, or let's say a market trading chart. And you can, of course, set your markets from here. Any of the markets from any of those categories. So I'm just going to open up a chart I've already opened, and that's Tesla. So from this chart, we're going to see how we can add indicator, or we're going to add an indicator here. So at the top left corner of the screen, you're going to find this indicator option. Okay, so you're going to find this indicator. So go ahead and click on this. 4 boxes that are here. Now you have a couple of indicator templates that you can choose from. So these are the 4 templates. Like you have the Bill Williams tree lines, you have the displaced EMA, you have MAX, XP, EXP rebound, you have oscillators, you have swing trading and volume based. So let's say I want this to be displaced EMA, and you see that this has been included in my indicator. Okay, so that's how I have added an indicator. And I can click on this and I can save, or I can choose an indicator and save the indicator template. All right, so this is how you can add indicator templates that are actually going to help you. So here are indicators. Now you can click on the indicators and head over to technical, personal, financials, or community, but technicals first, and add any of these indicators that are going to work for you. Okay, so let's say I want to add the advanced decline line. So you see that that has been added already. So I'm going to go X on this and see that this has been added. Okay, so I'm just going to click this and okay, so I'm unable to restart my chart, but once I'm able to, I'm just going to restart my chart. So that's pretty much how you can add indicators on TradingView. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.